Today we're going to take our Xterra for a drive. I'm going to give you a little bit of highway impressions with these BF Goodrich KO2 tires. I've been experimenting a little bit with the pressures. The truck came in with 32 psi. The door jamb for the Xterra recommends 35 psi. And BF Goodrich website for a particular KO2 E-loaded tire states between 40 and 45 is optimal. So got them pumped to 45. It rides pretty rigid. You could tell that the tail end is pretty bumpy and hops around quite a bit because it's empty. I don't have any cargo back there, but we'll likely get down to about 40 psi for the best fuel efficiency and a good blend of soft, comfortable ride. So come along with me and let's take it for a drive. So cruise control is at 71 miles an hour. The tachometer is at 2,000 RPM. There's a bit of crosswind. My sunglass holder was vibrating a bit, so I had to open that up. Other than that, most of the noise you hear is wind noise. I'm not hearing much rumble from the tires. So 45 psi sounds a little bit quieter than 32 psi. But I think for overall more settled drive, I think I prefer a bit lower tire pressure so it's not as rocky and bumpy and jerky. Next exit. steering wheel is not super precise. I mean, I have a little bit of, I can wiggle my steering wheel and the truck seems to track pretty straight still. So the wheel is a bit loose, and the steering components are 10 years old and 51,000 miles on them.